Hello, and welcome to the Big Apple Institute eClass tutorial. This tutorial, we will be covering how to register and log in to your eClass account. First, open up any browser and go to eclass.bigappleacademy.com. Once you're there, click on Register at the top and fill in the information below. First and last name, and then choose the class, and then put in the email. Note that the email is one per student. Choose a password, but please note that the password has a minimum length of 8 characters. Choose I agree, and then create the account. Once it's created, you will be logged into the student dashboard. Now to simulate logging in, same website, eclass.bigappleacademy.com, and you click login. Use the same email that you just created and registered. And sign in. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to check out the other tutorials.